What we're going for really with Uncle Bill's, we're serving approachable food to our neighbors, being very conscious of value, being hospitable, and being good hosts. We always joke that if that ever came up for sale, it'd be cool to do something with it, to preserve it. We really felt like it was a really important part of the community. It's a tough industry. You need to partner with really, really good equipment and good people, good vendors, and True is one of those vendors that we depend on. True has a great warranty, right? Parts, labor, all of it. The best. The really important thing about True is that you probably aren't going to need it. It's really, to me, not about a warranty. It's about a company that feels so good about their product, that's so confident in their product, that they offer a long warranty that hopefully neither of us are going to have to experience. A typical day, is probably 350, 300, well over 500 on a busy day. We have decades and decades of people coming here for a traditional breakfast. We wanted to take the existing menu, add a few things to it, but really just do what was already being done here the best we could do it. Those bases are really important to us because it allows us to move quickly. If they have to turn around every time to go grab something, it really slows the line down. But it's underneath heat, right? If that's not insulated well and made really well, it's not going to last very long. Under heavy use, in less than ideal conditions, which is always the case, the equipment that stands the best chance of holding on is True. They're workhorses.